Welcome back to Section 9. I am Rimi, your host. You are doing a wonderful job. We are almost at the end of our introduction masterclass. You have already learned how to say your name, country, age, job, family, hobbies, and routine. Now we are going to learn how to talk about your likes and dislikes. Likes mean the things you love, enjoy, or prefer. Dislikes mean the things you do not love, do not enjoy, or do not want. Sharing your likes and dislikes helps people know your personality better. It makes your introduction more interesting and unique. Let us learn the simplest way to say what you like. We use the phrase, I like something, or if you really love it, you can say, I love something. Let us look at some examples of things people like. It can be food, colors, seasons, or animals. Repeat after me. I like coffee. I like spicy food. I love dogs. I love the winter. Season. My favorite color is blue. Let us look at that last sentence. My favorite color is blue. The word favorite means the one you like the most of all. You can use this word for many things. Repeat after me. My favorite food is rice. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite book is this one. Now let us learn how to say what you do not like. This is your dislike. We use the phrase, I do not like something. Or you can say it a short version. I don't like something. Let. US practice saying, I don't. Like, repeat after me. I don't like tea. I don't like hot weather. I don't like cats. I don't like loud music. Let us connect a like and a dislike in one sentence using the word but is used to show a difference. Listen to how it sounds. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. Let us practice this structure together. Repeat after me. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. I like cats, but I don't like dogs. I like summer, but I don't like winter. Let us add this beautiful detail to our full introduction. Listen to my voice. Hello, good morning. My name is Rimi. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. I am a teacher. In my free time, I like to read books. I love sweets, but I don't like spicy food. Nice to meet you. This sounds incredibly natural and warm. It gives a very clear picture of who you are as a person. Now let us practice your likes and dislikes. Think of one thing you like and one thing you do not like. I will ask the question, and you answer out loud. Ready? Rimi, what do you like and what do you dislike? You. I like, but I don't like. Spectacular. You are speaking with so much confidence now. Your English sentences are coming out smoothly and accurately. This is the end of Section 9. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for our final section, Section 10.